The Hexa is one of the first products from Tata Motors to follow the impact design philosophy. Which means, of course, it is designed to impress at the very first sight. It not only looks impressive but is also packed with a lot of features. LED DRLs and smoke projector headlamps, muscular wheel arches housing those stunning 19-inch alloy wheels, dual exhaust pipes and chrome bits make the Hexa look like a proper expensive and premium crossover. It's loaded to brim with features like disc brakes on all the 4 wheels, electric mirrors, reverse camera, climate control AC, cool box, cruise control, voice command, steering mounted buttons, an amazing music player that plays almost anything and comes with 10 JBL speakers including a subwoofer. What we have under the hood is a 2.2 litre Varicore engine that produces 156 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. And it seems that's good enough to propel this vehicle weighing around 2.5 tons from 0 to 100 in just a matter of 12.5 seconds or something like that. Of course, the automatic comes only with a 2-wheel drive setup, but with 200 mm of ground clearance and those massive 19-inch tires and wheels, you'll never need the 4-wheel drive setup. Tata Motors wanted the automatic experience to be spot on. Hence, they've got this amazing automatic 6-speed gearbox from a Belgian transmission company. The steering feels light. It's fairly agile on the bends. Even the suspensions, they easily cushion out all sorts of cruelty that the Indian roads have to offer with no fuss at all. Of course, the automatic may not have the 4-wheel drive setup or the fancy super drive modes. But let me tell you this, the auto gearbox. If you're gonna be driving, this is the Hexa that you should buy. When you want your Hexa to be fast and aggressive, just slot it into sports mode. And there you go. The Hexa will just launch into the horizon. The Hexa has great road presence thanks to its large dimensions. In fact, the Hexa is wider and longer than the XUV 500 and the Innova Krista. The result? There is enough boot space even with the seats upright. Or if you wish to have more luggage space, then you can fold down all the seats and move your house into it. The seats, however, don't fold completely flat on the floor. The last row of seats is spacious but still is best suited for kids. The middle row of seat is supremely comfortable with AC vents, sunblinds, armrest, etc. all perfectly laid out. The quality of materials all around is top notch. In fact, it's one of the best interiors from Tata Motors when it comes to quality. The only possible downside to it is that it's all black, which makes it look a bit dull. Brighter color interiors would have made it more opulent and luxurious. The automatic will return an average fuel consumption of around 12 kilometers per liter. The car that we tested was the top of the line fully loaded XT-A variant that costs around 16.5 lakhs ex-showroom price. The overall reliability and resale value of the Tata Hexa remains to be seen. But otherwise the Hexa is an amazing product, especially in its automatic form.